Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video, I will show you how to convert any normal video into a snow video. That area will be full with snow. And for this, you don't need any editing skills or any higher end software or application. So this you can do it within a minute. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do this. You need to open this application called Edits. This application is from Instagram. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. So once you will open this, it will open it in this way. Click on this project and the plus icon here you can see, and either you can record it or you can select from gallery. So I'm selecting from gallery and I will select my this video and I will click on add. So now you have to select this video here and drag here, and you can see the option as restyle. Just click on this one and here you will see multiple options, but you have to go with this snow. You can see the third one. The serial number can be changed day by day as per the update, but this is a one that you have to select and click on restyle. So here it will take couple of seconds, or sometimes maybe it can take up to 1 minute. It's depend upon your internet speed and the size of the video. So you can select up to 9 seconds of a video. So here you can see the editing is going on. So here you can see now the snow effect is added. So you can see the video is ready, and here you can select the resolution. I will select 4K 60. Okay, I will keep it 30 for now and I will click on export. So you can see the video is getting saved and you click on this download. You can see finished downloading. If you will go and check your gallery, you will find that video here. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.